Hey everyone, welcome back to the PassFab channel. If you're trying to sign out of your Apple ID on your iPhone but can't remember your password, you might have run into a frustrating roadblock. The standard way to sign out requires you to enter your Apple ID password to confirm the action. But what do you do when you've forgotten it? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 effective methods to remove your Apple ID account from your iPhone without needing the password. The first method is to use the built-in Erase Contents and Settings option using your iPhone passcode. This method works if you still have access to your device and can get into the Settings app. On newer iPhones, go to Settings, click on your account. Scroll down and click on Sign Out but don't erase. Click on Continue, and when you reach the Apple ID password, click on Forgot Password, and then you'll be redirected to use your iPhone passcode to sign out. After entering it, you'll be able to create a new password. This new password can then be used to completely sign out your Apple account out of the device, and then you'll be able to sign in with a new Apple account. If you no longer have physical access to your device or it's already locked, you can remove the Apple ID remotely using iCloud. This method requires that Find My iPhone was enabled on the device before you were locked out. Open a browser on any device and go to iCloud.com. Then sign in with your Apple ID credentials. Click on Find My iPhone, select your device from the list, and choose the option to erase it. Once the erase process is complete, click on Remove from Account. This will completely unlink the device from your Apple ID. Your iPhone will restart at the Hello Setup screen, and you can set it up with a new Apple ID. If none of the previous methods work for you, the most reliable option is to use PassFab iPhone Unlock. This professional tool is specifically designed to remove an Apple ID from an iPhone without needing the original password, making it the perfect solution when you're completely stuck. First, download and install PassFab iPhone Unlock on your computer using the link in the video description below. Launch the program and select the Remove Apple ID option from the main menu. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. The software will provide clear, step-by-step visual instructions to help you put your device into the required mode. Before you begin, make sure your device has a 6-digit screen passcode enabled and that 2-factor authentication is turned on, as these are necessary for the process to work. The software will download the necessary firmware package and begin the removal process. When the process is finished, your iPhone will restart, and you'll need to go through the setup process again. When you arrive at the iPhone Lock to Owner screen, simply tap Unlock with Passcode, select Use Device Passcode, and enter your previous 6-digit screen passcode to activate the device. After the setup is complete, the previous Apple ID will be completely removed, and you'll be free to sign in with a brand new Apple ID. If this tutorial helped you out, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the PassFab channel for more helpful tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.